everyone. Hey, it's Steve Tristan with Steve Tristan's Best. I'm in Las Vegas, Nevada right now, and I found this diamond in the rough, a blind repair shop that is in Las Vegas only. They're the only blind repair shop here. I'm here with Jose. He's an employee here. He's the one who actually works on the blinds here in the shop. And I'd like to show you, what these guys do. So if you're local here in the Las Vegas Valley area, you can bring your blinds in, or you can give them a call to come out and do service, and be able to just get your broken blind.
Yeah, we fix all sorts of blinds here: wood blinds, honeycomb blinds, even motorized blinds right here. You see. So if you have any problems with these guys, go ahead and bring them inside. And we also have thousands of parts here for.
And all in the back shop and everything.
Yeah, these guys are pretty expensive, so it's good we repair them here.
So I think the number one problem that they have with the shutters is people go to try to pull this tilt bar to open it. Like I just did that, and you're not supposed to do the tilt bar. You're supposed to open right here.
Yeah.
But they go and pull that, and it pulls the staples out, right?
Yep, yep.
So what they do is they replace the staples with glue too, right?
Yep. Yeah. So brand new.
So new staples with glue.
Yep.
And they have a lot of blinds here ready to be done.
And back here. A lot of people have these in like industrial places, so we usually retape them. We have all the parts and controls here.
And then he's working on something over there too,
yeah,
right?
Right here, one of the main things we fix here are broken cords. So we have plenty of cord here, all sorts of colors and gauges and sizes, and we record them. So at a pretty reasonable price.
Wow, look at all this. Yeah. Look at all the tassels, all the different colors, all the different little parts and whatnot. Over here too. Look at this. All the beads, different tools.
Thousands of parts.
Yeah, thousands and thousands of parts. So wow, this is an awesome place here in Las Vegas. So if you guys you need a blind repair here in the local area, make sure you come on out. And I think they've been here since I think he said somewhere around 1986. Yep. So they've been here a very long time. Okay, the proprietor couldn't be here right now, but at least Jose was able to help us. And so thank you very much, guys, for watching our video. Please like this video. If you have any comments on any kind of blind repairs, put it in the comments. We'll try to help you the best we can. If you're in the local area, be sure to come out to Accent on Blinds. If you need blind repairs anywhere else in the country or anywhere else in the world, make a comment. I might be able to refer you to somebody. I know a lot of people across the nation who either sell blinds or also repair them. So, okay. It was a pleasure meeting you, Jose.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
And you guys take care. God bless, and catch you next time.
All right.
Please like our video, subscribe to our channel, and select the alert notification so that way you guys can see any new how-to videos we have coming out. Thank you.